Hello guys, welcome back to One Key Car Garage. Today we're going to be doing headlights. As you can see, these are pretty bad, hazy, not the worst I've seen, but I've done a few of these before using different methods, and for this vehicle, these are the tools I'll be using. Alright, the spray bottle right there. In the past I've had success with that, but these tools we're going to reserve for the Range Rover right here. As you can see, these are pretty bad. Been meaning to do this for a while, but I'm going to use the turtle wax I just showed you. I'm going to use that kit on this vehicle. And for the Avalon, we're gonna go with my old proven method of using, oops, sorry, so my tools fell here, of using, typically I'd go with a 500 grit first and then work my way up to the 2000 grit to sand it off, make it smooth, all the while applying water in between the process. And typically once that's dried, I'll go over the lights with a alcohol swab just to get rid of the impurities. And then once dried, I typically use this here to give a coat over a coat or a few coats over the headlights, just so that yellowing does not return. The tape, we're going to use painter's masking tape to mask off the areas here, the lines, so we don't scratch a paint. So just a slight different touch to how I normally do it. So first we're gonna mask off the areas, and I would usually open the hood, to give you more access to the rest of the light, so you get a better coverage, and mask off the panel areas around the light. Spray some water, scrub, spray, scrub. Then once we wipe that off, then we go over with a 2000 grit to smooth out the surface to prepare it for the final coating. So that's what we're going to do for the again, for the Range Rover. We're going to go with this method. I'm going to use that pad to help to apply the clarifying compound on that vehicle, but on this one it's going to be mostly hand. I might use that as a final, no, I won't be using that. I'm just going to do this to show you how to accomplish close to the same results, if not a more permanent solution. Alright, so guys, touch base back with you again. That's what they look like before. Pretty bad. Then I'm going to give you the after view. That's what they look like. Yeah, those are pretty bad. Alright guys, alright, Talk to you soon.